Hello, my name's Neil Davis. I'm the Service Director at Lister Wilder for the Ground Care and Construction Division and also the Virtual Engineer. Recently, with the help of Ian Dean from our Reading depot, we did a Virtual Engineer workshop showing you how to sharpen and balance a mower blade. We've had lots of positive response back from that, so on the back of that we've decided to do another Virtual Engineer workshop. This one, Ian's going to advise you about air filter maintenance on a mower. So without further ado, over to you, Ian.
Hi, I'm Ian from Lister Wilder, and today I just want to show you how to clean out an air filter on a lawnmower. Here at Lister Wilder we're often getting machines coming in where they're not running very well, and sometimes purely down to the fact that the air filter was blocked on the engine. That in turn is putting more strain on the engine, using up more fuel and then fouling up the spark plug. Definitely as the season goes on, conditions get drier, there's more dust and debris about, and that will get sucked into that air filter, blocking it up. So regular maintenance of the air filter will just help you go through the season without any issues. So simply just take the air filter housing off, just lift it off, take the air filter out. As you can see on this one, there's a lot of debris and grass that's been sucked into the air filter. Just brush that off best you can. You can always tap it down, just get the worst of it off. If you've got the luxury of an airline like I have, just use that. Always remember PPE, put your goggles on. Just take the foam element off. Just blow the air filter from the inside out. And just blow the foam off. As you can see now, they're a lot cleaner. Also, just clean out the air filter housing and the cover. Make sure there's no debris there that's going to get sucked straight back into the engine. And put your air filter back on. Put the cover back on. Nice. And then you should be good to go. Thank you.